Hey yo, welcome to episode 4 of Limitless. In this episode, we'll be making a bowl from an old cedar telephone pole. So my buddy came across some of this old growth cedar that a lot of people just don't want to deal with for various reasons. Mostly it sounds like telephone poles are known for dulling tooling. However, to me it seems like a problem worth dealing with when you can essentially repurpose old growth wood for free. See, the cedar you pick up from the Home Depot has these large, perfect rings. That is because the trees are grown under optimal conditions. In old growth, you can really see the struggle from year to year. So, the inspiration for this piece comes from a souvenir shop in Alaska. I designed a bowl that was purposely not circular, so that it would stand out against lathe work. I decided to really push the vertical travel with this bowl and made it 6 inches deep. The first step was to rough hog out the inside of the bowl with a 1/2 inch flat end mill. Then I switched to a 1/2 inch ball end mill to surface the inside. These carbide end mills I got are 6 inches long, and I was really pushing it to reach the bottom here. When I flipped the part over, I added a collet extension so that I could reach the full 6 inches from the bottom side. Because nothing was really square when I started on this, I didn't have a good way to locate the second setup. I eyeballed it the best I could, but it ended up causing uneven wall thicknesses on the finished bowl. Here we see the ball end mill doing its surfacing again. Having this long end mill with the collet extension was really pushing this Makita router, and there was some vibration if I turned the spindle speed up too high. In the end, I broke the thin side of the bowl when trying to remove the hot glue holding it down. I decided to accept all the flaws, glue it back together, and finish it off by hand. I laser engraved my signature into the bottom of the bowl and just kept sanding. I'm using this Takamo epoxy off Amazon. I bought this because the price is good and they claim it has triple UV resistance. They also claim it to be food safe. But I have found it very easy to use and all my results have come out crystal clear. After curing, I flipped the bowl over and repeated the process on the inside. Finally, here are some glamour shots of an old pole turned bowl. She's had a rough go at life, but maybe there is some beauty in that. Stay tuned for the next episode.